With CemeCon technology, customers are choosing future-proof solutions.
We have a great time at EMO 2025 and share all the most important information about the innovative diamond coating on the market.
We support our customers in positioning successful products on the market.
Customers and we draw lots of inspiration for the discussions during EMO.
So, if you would not been at the EMO, you would have missed a business opportunity in microcutters. We see a clear trend that cutting tools are getting smaller and more precise. And for doing submicron cutting tools, you do need a super smooth HiPIMS coating, what we are offering to you as a tool maker for being able to get into this future market.